Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about Marquee Tool and how to use this tool. Marquee Tool is used to make a selection of a particular area on the canvas. It is located below the Move tool in Photoshop toolbox. The keyboard shortcut for the same is M. It can select your layers in several shapes like rectangle, square or circle. In the panel, first is rectangular marquee tool. The second one is elliptical marquee tool. Third one is single row marquee tool. And the fourth one is single column marquee tool. Let us learn about them individually. Rectangular marquee tool is used for making rectangular selections within an image. For that, just click and drag the selection to the area you want to select. You can even make square selections with this tool. Just hold Shift and then click and drag. This will create the selection in square form. It can also be used to crop an image, which is similar to the crop tool in Photoshop. For that, make a selection and then press C on your keyboard. Hit enter or click on the tick icon on the top. In this way, you can crop an image in Photoshop. Now, let us see how to make a copy with the help of rectangular marquee tool. First of all, select the marquee tool, click and drag diagonally to select this window. Now press Alt or Option along with Ctrl or Command on your keyboard. Now click and drag the selection towards the right. Hold Shift to keep the selection in a single line. In this way, you can make a copy of the window. Now let us have a look at the properties of marquee tool. First one is the new selection with which we can create the selection. With the second one, we can add to the selection. We can even press Shift to add the selection. With the third one, we can subtract the selection, or we can even press Alt or Option to subtract from the selection. The next one is intersect with selection. For that, make a selection and keeping it active, make another selection, intersecting it. The part which will intersect will become a selection, making the other areas deselected. Now, let us have a look at the feather properties of marquee tool. First of all, make a selection with the value of feather at 0 pixels. Fill it with a color. And now, make another selection with a value of feather at 20 pixels. Fill it with color as well. Now, press Ctrl or Command D to deselect. As you can see in the first rectangle, the edges are sharp, while in the second one, the edges are soft. Next to the feather is style. With this, we can make the selection size according to us. Right now, it's at normal. In fixed ratio, the ratio of the selection will be fixed according to the value you enter. In fixed size, we will have to enter the size which we want and it will be fixed. With select and mask, we can make the selection of a particular area and mask it. In this panel, we can change the value according to us. Let's take an example to understand this. First, make a selection and then click on Select and Mask. Then, let us increase the value of feather. You can see the changes over here. When you are satisfied, hit OK. And then, if you click on the vector mask, over here, you can see that the particular area is masked with feather applied to it. Now, let us see another marquee tool in the list, which is elliptical marquee tool. It is used for making circular and oval selections. Just click and drag to make a selection. If you want the selection to be made from center, then press Alt or Option along with Shift to make a proportionate circle. Not holding the Shift key will make the selection disproportionate. You can even transform the selection if you are not satisfied. For that, with the selection active, right-click and choose Transform Selection. Then adjust this according to your choice. These properties shown here are similar to that of rectangular and other marquee tools in the panel. Another one in the list is single row marquee tool and single column marquee tool. It is used if you want to trim just a tiny bit from the image. It selects only 1 pixel wide area. Single row marquee tool makes horizontal selections, whereas single column marquee tool makes vertical selections. You can delete the selected area simply by clicking delete on the keyboard. That's all about the marquee tool in Photoshop. Hope you have understood all about it. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.